Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering regular expressions in Python programming. I will explain various functions, meta characters and special sequences that we use in regular expressions by giving various examples. Guys, I have uploaded complete Python programming subject tutorials. I will provide link in description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Regular expressions, shortly we call it as regex, is a special sequence of characters that uses search pattern to find a string or set of strings is known as regular expression. I will give one example so that you can clearly understand this definition. Let us consider this string, my name is Nagendra. Now I want to find whether RA is present at last or not. In order to check whether RA is present at last in the given string, just you need to apply pattern. Let us consider pattern like I want to find whether RA is present at last or not. So just write here RA and by using $sign we can find last character. So I written here RA dollar. This $sign is used to identify last characters. Here I written RA $sign. So it will check whether RA is present at last or not. Yes, RA is present at last. So I will get output RA. This is my output. For example, if I write here ME $sign, then it will check whether ME is present at last or not. But last character is not ME, last character is RA. So you won't get any output. This is use of $sign. Regular expression is a special sequence of character that uses search pattern. Where this ME is special sequence of characters that uses a search pattern. Where this $ is search pattern to find string or set of strings. By using this pattern, I am finding that whether ME is present at last or not. This is meaning of regular expression. These are various functions that we use in regular expressions. First one is match function. Second one is search function. Third one is find all. Fourth one is split. And fifth one is sub, where sub stands for substitute. I will explain each of them by giving examples. This is example. Here at first I written import RE. Guys, just remember that where RE is package. And it is also considered as module 2. So just I written here import RE and I written A equal to my name is Nagendra comma my age is 25 in double quotations. After that I am writing B equal to, I am using match function. So just write here RE dot match. I am using here match function. So just write here B equal to RE dot match. Inside brackets write my because I want to find my. I took here my comma. This string is present in variable A. So just write here A and write print B. Match function is used to check whether given characters are available at first or not in a given string. Only if these characters are available at first, I will get output. In this text, I written my name is Nagendra comma my age is 25 and here I written RE dot match. Inside match I written my. So match function will check whether my is available at first or not. Only if my is available at first in a given string, I will get output. Here I written my. So my is available at first. So I will get output my. I am storing this result in variable B. So whenever you write here print B, you will get output RE dot match object span equal to 0 comma 2 comma match equal to my. That means we found match, that is my, in index number 0 comma 2 where M is stored in index number 0 and Y in index number 1. So here we will get output span equal to 0 comma 2. Here actually I should get output 0 comma 1 but it will add +1 for last index. So I will get output span equal to 0 comma 2. Match equal to my. That means we found match, that is my, in index number 0 comma 2. Here I written my. So only if my is available at first, I will get output. For example, in place of my, if I write here name, so it will check whether name is available at first or not. Only if name is available at first, I will get output. Here name is not available at first. So here I will get output none. If given characters are not available at first, then it will display none. For example, if I write here only M, it will check whether M is available at first or not. Yes, M is available at first. So here I will get output RE dot match object span is equal to 0 comma 1 and match equal to M. If you give here M. This is use of match function. Next I will explain what is use of search function. This search function is same as match function, but only difference is that where match function is used to identify whether given characters are available at first or not, and whereas search function is used to identify characters that are located in any place in a given string. Not only first, if characters are available at any place, it will print those characters. This is use of search function. This is example. Just in place of RE dot match, I written here RE dot search. Inside this, I want to search name. So I return here name. So at first it will check whether name is available in given string. Yes, name is available here. This is my output. That is re.match object. That means we found match object at index number 3, 7, where m is stored in index number 0, y in index number 1, space in index number 2, n in index number 3, e in 4, m in 5, and e in 6. I already said before, for n index it will add +1. So I will get output span equal to 3, 7, match equal to name. That means we found match, that is name, in index number 3, 7. But there is one disadvantage in search function, that is, though if characters are available twice, it will display only once. For example, in place of name, if I write here my is present here and next my is present here. Though characters are available twice, it will display only once, and that too it will consider only first characters. So it will consider only this my, and whenever you write here re.search of my, you will get output re.match object span equal to 0, 2. So it will consider only first my, it won't consider second my. This is disadvantage of search function. So in order to overcome this problem, we use find all. By using find all function, we can overcome this problem. So same example, just I am writing here re.findAll. Just write here find all. Find all function will represent output in the form of list. So you will get output in the form of list, that is square brackets. Inside square brackets you will get output my. See, my is available twice, so you will get output my twice. This is output if you use find all function. By using find all function, you can find any characters that are available in my string. For example, here in place of my, if I write here name, so it will check whether name is available or not. Yes, name is available here. So it will print name. All these are strings. So we will get output in single quotations. For example, in place of name, if I give here 25, yes, 25 is available in this string. So you will get output 25. And this 25 is not integer. This 25 is also considered as string. So you will get output 25 in single quotations. This is use of find all function. For example, if I give here John, John is not available in this string. So whenever any characters that are not available in my string, so just it will represent empty list. Whenever characters are not available in given string, it will represent empty list. Next I will explain what is use of split function. This is example of split. Same example which I took before. Here I written re.split, where split function is used to split given string. For example, here I written b equal to re.split. Inside split I written Nagendra. Whenever you write here re.split of Nagendra, it will remove this Nagendra and it will split this strings. This result is present in variable b. So whenever I write here print b, I will get output. Even split function will represent output in the form of list. So inside list it will print my name is, this is one part, and next. So it will remove this Nagendra and it will place comma in place of Nagendra. So comma, and again comma my age is 25 is another part. So whenever you write here re.split, so it will replace comma in place of Nagendra and it will split this string as two parts. One is my name is and next one is comma my age is 25. This is another part. This is use of split function. Next I will explain what is use of sub function. Here sub stands for substitute. Substitute is nothing but replace. For example, if you want to replace any string, then you can use sub function. This is example. Same example which I took before. Guys, definitely you need to import regular expression. So at first write here import re and I took string, that is a equal to my name is Nagendra comma my age is 25 full stop. I am storing this string in variable a, and next I took another variable, that is b, and I return b equal to re.sub. This is substitute function. And now I want to replace this name Nagendra with John. So just write here Nagendra where Nagendra is string. So you need to represent Nagendra in double quotations, comma I want to replace Nagendra with John. So write here John. So take John in single or double quotations. This string is present in variable a. So definitely write here a, or else it will display error. So definitely write here John comma a. And now this result is stored in variable b. So whenever you write here print b, you will get output. It will represent output in the form of string. So you will get output my name is John comma my age is 25. These are definitions of various functions. First one is find all, where find all returns a list containing all matches. Though if any string is available twice, it will display those strings. So find all function will return a list containing all matches. And next one is search, where search function returns a match object. Match object is nothing but any characters or string is considered as match object. So search function returns a match object if there is match anywhere in the string, and whereas match function returns a match object if there is a match starting in the string. Only if any string is available at starting, match function will return that string. And whereas if string is available at any location, then search function will return that string. This is difference between match and search. And next one is split function. Split function returns a list. As I said before, split function will display output in the form of list. So split function return a list where the string has been split at each match. Next one is sub function, where sub stands for substitute. If you want to replace any string, then you can use sub function. These are definitions of various functions. Next I will explain special sequences. In order to match any character, then you can use special sequences. And we represent special sequences by using / symbol. These are various special sequences that we use in regular expressions. I will explain what is use of these special sequences by giving examples. At first I will explain what is use of /a. This is program. At first you need to import RE. After that I written A equal to my name is Nagendra, my age is 25, where you need to represent this string in double quotations, or you can also use single quotations. Next I written B equal to RE.findAll. Guys, for each and every special sequences you can use findAll function. So inside findAll function I am writing /a and I am giving here my. Guys, we represent all these special sequences with / symbol, and for all these special sequences you can use findAll function. So just I written here B equal to RE.findAll. Inside findAll I written /a my, where /a is used to check whether given character is available at first or not. Only if character is available at first I will get output. So I written here /a without giving any space, right here my. So it will check whether my is available at first or not. Yes, my is available at first, so I will get output my. As we know, findAll function will represent output in the form of list. So inside square brackets I will get output my in single quotations. This is my output. /a is used to check whether given character is available at first or not. For example, in place of /a my, if I give here /a name, that means it will check whether name is available at first or not. Here starting string is my, not name. So here you will not get any output. So it will represent output in the form of empty list. For example, if I write here /am, it will check whether m is available at first or not. Yes, m is available at first. So I will get output m in single quotations. Guys, I already said before, you should not give any space after writing /a. For example, if I write here /a space my, that means it will check whether space is available at first or not. So space is not available at first, so you will not get any output. It will display empty list as output. So don't give space, just write here /a, and whatever the characters that you want to search, place that characters after writing /a. This is use of /a. Next I will explain what is use of /z, where /a is used to identify whether characters are available at first or not, and whereas /z is used to identify whether characters are available at last or not. Same example, whereas /z is used to identify whether characters are available at last or not. For example, here I am writing 25 /z. So whereas /z will check whether these two characters are available at last or not in a given string. So in this string, yes, last two characters are 25. So I will get output 25, and will represent 25 in the form of string. So it will represent this in single quotations. This is my output. Only if characters are available at last, it will display output. For example, if I write here is, it will check whether is available at last or not. No, is not available at last. So you won't get any output. It will display empty list. Next I will explain what is use of /s, where s stands for space, whereas /s is used to identify how many spaces that are present in given sentence. For example, this is my sentence, that is my name is Nagendra, my age is 25. I am writing here /s. Whenever I write here /s, how many spaces that are present in given sentence, it will display all those spaces. How many spaces that are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total there are 7 spaces available in my given sentence. So it will display 7 spaces. I already said before, even space is considered as string. So it will represent spaces in single quotations. So how many spaces? Total there are 7 spaces. So it will represent 7 spaces in single quotations. This is use of /s. Next I will explain what is use of /S. Just write here /S. It is opposite to s, where s will represent only spaces, and whereas S will represent all characters except spaces. So whenever you write here RE.findAll /S, you will get output. It will represent each character in single quotations. So you will get output my. It won't count spaces. It will print all these characters except spaces. So you will get output my, na, me, ies, each character in single quotations. It won't count spaces. So just it will print MYNAME is NAGENDRA, all this in single quotations, comma in single quotation, MYAGE is 25 without any spaces. Whenever you write here RA.findAll \S, it will print all characters except spaces. This is use of \small s and \S. Next I will explain what is use of \small d. Just I am writing here \small d, where small d stands for digits. So it will display only digits available in my given sentence. So total there are 2 digits, they are 2, 5. So it will print digits from 0 to 9. In this given sentence, there are 2 digits, they are 2, 5. These 2 are digits, so we will get output 2, 5. \D is opposite to \small d, that is, except the digits, it will print remaining characters. Whenever you write here \D, you will get output, that is MY space NAME is Nagendra, my age is. Except 25, it will print remaining. It will represent each character in single quotations, where small d will print only digits and whereas D will print characters except the digits. This is use of \D and \small d. Next I will explain what is use of \small w, where \small w will print characters that contains alphabets from small a to z and capital A to z and numbers from 0 to 9. This is same as numbers from 0 to 9 and alphabets from small a to z and alphabets from capital A to z. So it will print all these characters. Except spaces and comma, it will print remaining. So I will get output, my name is Nagendra, my age is 25. Except space and comma, it will print remaining. And it will print each character in single quotations. So I will get output M in single quotation, Y in single quotation, and it will avoid space. And next one is N, A, M, E, so on. It won't print comma and it will print until 2 and 5. This is my output. This is use of \small w. Next I will explain what is use of \W. It is opposite to small w. Whenever you write here \W, except characters from 0 to 9, capital A to Z and small a to Z, it will print remaining. So whenever you write here W, you will get output. It will print only spaces and comma. It will print only spaces and comma. So you will get output 1, 2, 3, 4. Total there are 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that 1 comma and next 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 spaces. This is my output. Whenever you write here \small w, it will print characters from 0 to 9, capital A to Z and small a to Z. And whenever you write here \W, except numbers from 0 to 9, alphabets from capital A to Z and small a to Z, it will print remaining. What are remaining elements? They are space and comma. So you will get output spaces and comma. This is my output. Next I will explain what is use of \small b. Before using \small b, at first you need to write here R. After writing here R, take double quotations. Inside double quotations, I am writing here \b NA. It will check whether any string contains starting characters NA. Yes, for name starting is NA and next for Nagendra starting is NA. So we will get output NA in single quotations and next another NA. Because total there are 2 NAs. So it will print 2 NA. For example, if you write here name, it will check whether name is available at starting. Yes, name is available here. So it will print name. Whenever you write here \b any character, then it will search whether any character available in this string at starting. You need to write /b starting if you want to search starting characters. And you need to write /b at ending if you want to search ending characters. For example, I want to search RA is available at last or not. I want to search whether any string contains last character, that is RA. So this string do not contains RA and this string do not contain RA. Yes, Nagendra contains last character RA. So it will print RA once. And just write here R. After writing R, take single quotations where R stands for raw string. Next I will explain what is use of capital B. It is opposite to small b. Whenever you write here /b at last, it will search last character. Whenever you write here /small b at first, it will search first character. I want to search whether RA is available at last or not. So just I am writing here \b first. After writing, write RA. So it will check whether RA is available at last or not because it is opposite to small b. Whenever you write here \B first, it will search last character. It will check whether RA is available. Yes, RA is available here. So it will print RA. For For example, I want to search whether any string contains NA first. So just write here NA \capital B. If you want to search first character, then write \B last. So it will check whether any string contains NA first. Yes, name contains NA first and Nagendra contains NA first. So it will print output NA and NA. This is my output. This is use of \small b and \capital B. These are various special sequences that we use in regular expressions. Next, I will explain various meta characters that we use in regular expressions. These are various meta characters that we use in regular expressions. First one is square brackets, and next one is caret symbol, and next one is $sign, next one dot, this is R, next question mark, star, plus curly braces and normal brackets. These are various meta characters that we use. I will explain each of them by giving example. At first I will explain what is use of square brackets. This is example. At first I written import RE and I written A equal to my name is Nagendra, my age is 25. And next I written B equal to RE.findAll. I am taking here findAll function. Guys, for all special sequences and meta characters, you can use findAll function. So I am writing here RE.findAll. Inside brackets, I am applying pattern. That is, inside square brackets, I written ABC. Don't give space, just write here ABC. Inside square brackets. Whenever you write here ABC inside square brackets, then it will check whether ABC is available in this sentence. If ABC is available in this sentence, then it will print ABC. So whenever you run this code, you will get output. As I said before, findAll function will represent output in the form of list, and it will represent each character in single quotation. So at first it will check whether ABC is available. Yes, A is available here. So it will print A, and next it will check yes, A is available here. So again it will print A. And next A is available here, so it will print A, and we will keep on checking. A is available here for each, so it will print A. B and C is not available in this sentence, so it will print only A. It will represent each character in single quotations. For example, in place of ABC, if I write here small a to z, so in place of ABC, just I am writing here small a to z. If you write here small a to z, then it will check alphabets from small a to z in this sentence. Yes, my is small letter, this is in between a to z, so it will print M, Y, N, A, M, E, so on. So it will print all those small letters. So in this, except comma and 25, it will print remaining alphabets. Because all these alphabets are small letters, so it will print all those alphabets. And it will represent each character in single quotations. And whenever you write here capital A to Z, here for my name is Nagendra, and starts with capital letter. So whenever you write here RE.findAll of capital A to Z, then it will print all capital letters available in this sentence. In this sentence, only this N is capital letter. Remaining all are small letters, so it will print output, that is capital N in square brackets. This is my output. For example, in place of capital A to Z, if I write here 0 to 9, then it will print numbers from 0 to 9. In this sentence total there are two numbers, they are 2 and 5. So it will print output 2 and 5. So you will get output 2 in single quotation and 5 in single quotation. This is my output. Inside square brackets, if you write here caret symbol and small a to Z, meaning of this is except small a to z, it will print remaining. In this, all these are small letters, so it will skip all these characters and it will print only N. It will also print spaces. So it will print space, capital N, and space is here, space, and it will print comma and again space, 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 and 3 spaces here, and it will print 25. So it will print 2 and 5. Meaning of this is except small a to z, it will print remaining. And whenever you write here square bracket, caret symbol inside square bracket and capital A to Z, then except capital A to Z, it will print remaining. In this, what are capital letters? Only N is capital letter. So except N, it will print remaining. Guys, definitely you need to write pattern in quotation marks or else it will display error. So definitely write pattern in quotation marks. This is one more example. Inside square brackets, I am writing caret symbol 0 to 9. That means except 0 to 9, it will print remaining. So what are remaining? My name is Nagendra, comma, my age is, and even it will print spaces and commas. Just remember this. If you write A to Z inside square brackets, then it will print alphabets from small a to Z. And whenever you write capital A to Z in square brackets, then it will print alphabets from capital A to Z. And whenever you write here numbers from 0 to 9 inside square brackets, then it will print numbers from 0 to 9. And whenever you use caret symbol at starting, that means except A to Z, it will print remaining. Except capital A to Z, it will print remaining. Except 0 to 9, it will print remaining. This is use of square brackets. Next, I will explain what is use of caret symbol. Same example which I took before. Here I am writing b equal to re dot find all. For all meta characters and for all special sequences, you can use find all function. So inside find all function I written caret symbol my. That means it will check whether my is available at first or not. Yes, my is available at first, so it will print my. So inside list it will represent my in single quotations. Guys, whenever you write caret symbol inside square brackets, that means it is complement. But whenever you use caret symbol like this, that means it is used to search whether characters are available at first or not. Here I given my, so it will check whether my is available at first or not. If my is available at first, you will get output my. For example, if I write here name, then it will check whether name is available at first or not. Name is not available at first, so it will display empty list. Next I will explain what is use of $sign. Same example, where caret symbol is used to identify whether characters are available at first or not, and whereas $sign is used to identify whether characters are available at last or not. So just I am writing here 25 $sign. I already said before, for each and every pattern you need to take quotation marks or else it will display error. So inside quotation marks I written 25 $sign. That means it will check whether 25 is available at last or not. In this sentence 25 is available at last, so it will print output 25. So you will get output 25 in single quotations. For example, if I write here age, then it will check whether age is available at last or not. In this sentence age is not available at last, so it will display empty list. For example, if I write here $sign, then it will check whether 5 is available at last or not. Yes, 5 is available at last, so you will get output 5 in single quotation. This is use of caret symbol and $sign. Next I will explain what is use of dot symbol. Same example, here I written a dot e. That means from this given sentence I want to print characters that contains a, e, and in between a and b it can be any character I want to print those. So just I written a dot e. So dot is nothing but any character. There can be any character in between a and e. I want to print a, that particular character, and e. So it will check this pattern. For name it contains a and e. In between a and e it contains m. So I will get output ame. And similarly it will keep on checking because I written find all. So it will keep on checking all characters. For Nagendra, string Nagendra contains a and e, and in between a and e it contains e. So it will print age, and again it will keep on checking. And for age, starting is a and ending is e, and in between a and e it contains e. So you will get output age. This is my output. Meaning of a dot e is it should contains a and e. In between a and e it can be any character. I want to print those. For example, if I write here re dot find all n 2 dots e double quotations close comma a. That means it should contains n and e, and in between n and e it can be any two characters. So it will keep on checking. Yes, for name starting is n and next is e, and in between n and e there can be any characters. So two characters are a and m. So you will get output name, and again it will keep on checking. For Nagendra, here starting is n and there is e, and in between n and e there are two characters a and g. So you will get output NEAGE. Guys, definitely there should be two characters. Whenever I gave you a 2 dots, that means it should contains any two characters, not single character. This is use of dot symbol. Next I will explain what is use of OR. At first I written input RE, same example which I took before. Here I written b equal to RE dot find all function. Inside find all function I am writing is or my. That means if is present in this sentence, then I should get output is, and if my is present in this sentence, I should get output my. Guys, it will print in order. So at first it will check my and is. My is present here, so it will print my, and again is, so it will print is, and next one is my, so it will print my, and after my there is. So you will get output my is. This is my output. It will print in order. For example, if I write here Nagendra or Raju, it will check whether Nagendra or Raju is present in this sentence. Yes, Nagendra is present in this sentence, so you will get output Nagendra. And Raju is not present in this sentence, so you won't get Raju. It will print only Nagendra. This is my output. This is use of OR symbol. Next I will explain what is use of question mark symbol, star symbol, and plus symbol. Just remember, for question mark 0 or 1 occurrence, and for star 0 or more occurrence, and for plus 1 or more occurrence. I'll give one example. For example, let us consider one string that is Sai. This Sai is name, and in pattern I am writing S A question mark I. That means here question mark left character is A, and question mark mean 0 or 1. That means if this A is available 0 or 1 time in my string, I should get output S Sai. That is SCI. A is available once, so I will get output Sai. And for example, my string contains SI. This is pattern which I applied, that is SA question mark I. Question mark means 0 or 1 occurrence. If the string contains A once, I will get output. And if the string do not contains A, I will get output. Even if this A is not available in my string, I will get output. So I will get output SI. Guys, this is example. Here I written A equal to my name is Sai. And next I written B equal to RE dot find all. Inside this I written SA question mark I. That means question mark is nothing but 0 or 1 occurrence. That means question mark's left side character A. If this A is available once in my string, I will get output. And if this A is not available in my string, I will get output. This result is stored in variable B. So whenever I write here print B, I will get output SAI, because question mark means 0 or 1 occurrence. So here A occurred once, so I will get output Sai. For example, in place of SAI, if I write here SI, the string do not contain A. Even if this string do not contain A, I will get output. So I will get output SI, because question mark means 0 or 1 occurrence. So the 0 is satisfied, so I will get output SI. For example, if I write here S AAI, if this A is repeated more than once, I won't get any output. Here A is repeated thrice, so I won't get any output. So it will represent empty list. So question mark means only 0 or 1 occurrence. You can remember like this. So question mark is in the form of 0 and 1. So you can remember like this. Question mark means 0 or 1 occurrence. This is use of question mark symbol. Next I will explain what is use of plus symbol. So in place of question mark I took plus. Plus means 1 or more occurrence. In this string, for example, let us consider this string. My name is Sai. Here A is present once. So I will get output Sai. For example, if I write here SAAI, plus means 1 or more occurrence. So this condition is satisfied because A repeated more than once. So I will get output SAAI in single quotations. For example, if I write here SI, plus means only 1 or more occurrence. But here A is not available in my string. So I won't get any output. Only if A is available in my string once or more than once, I will get output. This is use of plus symbol. Starting we will write plus like this, plus. So 1 more occurrence. So you can remember like this. Next I will explain star symbol. Star means 0 or more occurrence. 0 or more. That means just in place of plus write here star. Star left side character, that is A. If this A is not available in my string, I will get output. If this A is available once in my string, I will get output. And if this A is available more than once, I will get output. For example, this is my string. My name is Sai. In this string Sai, A is present once. So I will get output Sai. For example, if I write here my name is SAAI, in this string SAAI, A is repeated thrice. So condition is satisfied, so I will get output SAAI. And for example, if I write here SI, here in string SI, A is not present. Though if A is not present, I will get output. So I will get output SI. Star is repeating and the star looks like 0. So 0 or more. You can remember like this. Next I will explain what is use of curly braces. Inside this find all function I written my, and I said before you need to take pattern in single quotations or double quotations. So inside single quotations I written my because I want to find my. Inside curly braces I written 1, 2 where 1 is minimum and 2 is maximum. If my is available minimum once or maximum twice, I will get output my. This my is available here and again my is available here. So my is available twice. This condition is satisfied. So I will get output my twice. For example, if I written here minimum 5 and maximum is 12, I should get output my. At least the size should be 5. But my is available only twice. This condition is not satisfied, so I will not get any output. It will display empty list. This is use of curly braces. Guys, next I will explain some important questions in regular expression topic. This is first question. Write a Python program to remove all white spaces from a string. I will give an example. So at first write import RE and I written A equal to my name is Nagendra. Now I want to remove all the spaces from given sentence. So just write here B equal to RE dot. So just write here sub. That is substitute. In order to remove spaces, we need to use sub function. Inside sub function, I want to remove spaces. Space means backslash small s. So just write here backslash small s, and I want to remove multiple number of spaces where plus mean one or more times. So just write here a plus. That means if space is present once or more than once, it will remove that spaces. So I am replacing the spaces with nothing. That means I am removing spaces. The string is present in variable a, so just write here a. And whenever you write here print b, you will get output my name is Nagendra without any space. As we know, substitute function will print output in the form of string. So you will get output in the form of string like my name is Nagendra. This is program for this example. Next I will explain how to replace all spaces, dot and comma with hash symbol. This is my string. My name is Nagendra, comma my age is 25, full stop. Now I want to remove the spaces and comma symbol and full stop symbol from this string. So just we need to substitute this space, comma and full stop with hash symbol. So I am using substitute function. Inside sub I am writing I want to remove space. So give here space. Next I want to remove comma, and next I want to remove full stop. So take space, comma and full stop in square brackets. As I already said before, we need to take pattern in quotation marks. Now I want to replace this space, comma and full stop with hash symbol. So again take quotation marks, inside quotation marks take hash symbol, and this string is present in variable a, so just write here a. And whenever you write here print b, guys just remember you need to write print b, not print a, because we are printing this result. This result is present in variable b, so just write here print b. Whenever you write here print b, you will get output my. It will replace space with hash, next name hash is hash Nagendra, again comma with hash, and next space with hash my hash age hash is hash 25, and it will replace full stop with hash symbol. So at last it will replace hash. Next I will explain Python program to separate numbers from given text and displaying those numbers in separate line. This is example. At first you need to write import re, and I written a equal to my age is 25, comma my roll number is 12. What are numbers? 25 and 12 are numbers. And now I want to print only numbers, and I want to print numbers in separate line. So just write here b equal to re dot find all, and we can find numbers by using slash small d. Plus mean one or more number of times, where slash d mean digits from 0 to 9. That means if numbers are available once or more than once, I need to print those numbers. So I took here slash d plus in double quotations, comma. This string is present in variable a. So just write here a. Now in order to print numbers one by one, I need to use for loop. So just take here for loop for x, where x is variable in b, because this result is present in variable b. So just write here b. Whenever you write here x in b, whatever the numbers that are present inside variable b, this x will store those numbers, and inside this for loop write print x. Print x mean by default print function will take slash n as output, so I will get output. At first it will print 25, and in next line it will print 12. This is my output. Next I will explain Python program in order to remove ovels from given text. Here you need to use substitute function. So I written here re dot sub. Inside sub I written, so inside quotation marks I took square brackets, and inside square brackets I written AEIOU. What are ovels? AEIOU. Directly write here AEIOU and capital AEIOU, comma. Now I want to remove this. Just give here quotation marks. Don't use space. Just open quotation marks and close quotation marks. This string is present in variable a, so just write here comma a. Now this result is present in variable b. So whenever you write here print b, you will get output. This is my output. Next I will explain Python program in order to find words that starts with n and m. This is example. I need to get output my name Nagendra my. So write here b equal to re dot find all. I want to print words that starts with n and m. So inside square brackets write n and m. Whenever you write here n m in square brackets, then you will get output only m n m in single quotations. But I want to print complete word. So just write here slash small w. Small w is nothing but it is combination of small a to z and capital A to z and 0 to 9. So starting must be either m or n, and rest I need to print all words. So I written here slash w. So it will print all words, and next use here plus. Plus is nothing but one or more. That means even if that word repeat one or more number of times, I should get that output. For example, in this text, if you consider d, if d is repeated once or more than once, I should get that output. So I took here plus, comma, the string is present in variable a, so just write here a. This result is stored in variable b, So whenever you write here print B, you will get output starting with N or M, and I want to print complete word. So just you will get output my, because starting is M, so you will get output my, and starting is N, so you will get output name. Find all will represent output in the form of list. So it will represent this output in square brackets, and it will represent each word in quotation marks. So my name Nagendra my. So this is my output. This is Python program in order to print words that starts with N and as well as M. Next I will explain Python program in order to print words that starts with NA. I want to print only words that starts with NA. In this, what are the words that starts with NA? First one is name. See, name starting is NA, and next Nagendra. For Nagendra starting is NA. I want to print only these two words that starts with NA. So just in place of writing this, write B equal to RE dot find all. Here we need to use slash B. So just write here R, that is roasting. In quotation marks write slash B. Starting must be NA. So slash B NA. Slash B is used to identify starting word. And here starting word is NA. So just I written here slash B NA. I want to print complete word. So just write here slash W. Slash W is nothing but small a to z, capital A to z and 0 to 9. So starting must be NA. After that, either there are small letters or capital letters or any other numbers, I should get that output. So I written here slash W. And if that particular character repeats multiple number of times like NAMEE, I should get output. So just write here plus. Plus is nothing but one or more. Even if alphabets or numbers repeat multiple number of times, I should get output. So I written here slash W plus. And this string is present in variable A. So just write here A. So whenever you write here print B, you will get output starting with NA. That is name and Nagendra. So name and Nagendra is my output. Next I will explain Python program in order to print word that starts with NA and ends with RA by using regular expression. I want to print word that starts with NA and ends with RA. In this, Nagendra starts with NA and ends with RA. Now I want to print this Nagendra. So just write here B equal to RE dot find all. So just write here slash B. First two characters are NA. So write here NA. And whenever you take here slash B, definitely you need to write here R, where R stands for raw string. After that, I want to print entire word like GENDRA. Slash W is nothing but it is combination of alphabets from capital A to Z, small a to Z and 0 to 9. And I am writing here plus. Plus is nothing but one or more. For example, NAGEENDRA. Though alphabets repeat twice, I want to print that. So I written here plus. If characters repeat one or more times, I need to print those characters. So I written here slash W plus, and last character must be RA. So just write here RA. In order to find last character, we need to use $sign. So write here $sign. Close quotations, and the string is present in variable A. So just write here A. Meaning of this is I am printing word that starts with NA and ends with RA. So slash B in order to find first two characters, and $sign in order to find last two characters. And in between NA and RA, there can be any characters. I want to print those characters. So just I written here slash W plus. This result is present in variable B. So whenever you write here print B, you will get output Nagendra. I written here find all. So it will represent output in the form of list, and it will represent Nagendra in single quotations. For example, if I take here my name is Nagendra, comma my friend is Narendra, and here for Narendra, starting two characters are NA and last two characters are RA. So it will print Narendra 2. This is another example in order to find whether dollar is present in given text or not. In this text, dollar is present at last. Guys, don't write here just dollar. If you write here just dollar, then it is considered as meta character, and by using $sign we can find last characters. So before $sign, I did not written any character, so it will display error. So whenever you write here single $sign in quotations, it is considered as meta character. But I want to find dollar in this text, so just use here slash. And whenever you give here slash, that means it will check whether dollar is available in this text or not. Yes, dollar is available here. So find all function will represent output in the form of list. So in list you will get output dollars. For example, if you want to search any special symbol, then you need to use backslash symbol, and this string is present in variable A. So definitely for each and every example you need to write here A, because my string is present in variable A. This is how we find special symbols in given text. This is another example. Write Python program to print rule numbers in text file. For example, there is one text file. The text file name is file.txt, and this text file contains information 12 Raju, 13 Shiva and 15 Nagendra, where these 12, 13, 15 are rule numbers. Now I want to print only rule numbers by using regular expression. So just write here, at first we need to import regular expression. So write here import RE. So open file in read mode. So write here open. By using open function we can open file. This file name is file.txt. So inside double quotations write file.txt comma I want to read this file. So open this file in read mode. After that I am writing for x in a. So whenever you write for x in a, where x is variable, this variable a contains file.txt. So whatever the data that is present inside this file.txt, this data is stored in variable x. Now this variable x contains this information. Now I want to print only rule numbers. So just write here, all these are available at first. By using match function we can find first characters. So I written here re.match, open bracket. I want to print number 12, 13 and 15. These are rule numbers and this is in the form of numbers. So just write here double quotations write /d, where d is nothing but digits. It will print numbers from 0 to 9. So I written here /d. How many numbers it contains? 1, 2. And here also 1, 2 and here also 1, 2. So give here size and size of digits is 2. Because don't write here a, write here x, because whatever the data that is present inside this text file, whenever I write here for x in a, this data is stored in variable x. So just write here x. And I am storing this result in separate variable, that is b. So whenever you write here print b, you will get output. Match function will represent output like this. So this is my output, re.match object semicolon span 0, 2, that is nothing but index number. This one in index number 0 and 2 in index number 1, 0, 2, nothing but index number, comma match 12. We found 12 at index number 0, 2 and similarly second line 0, 1. So you will get output 13 and 15. I don't want to print all this. Just I want to print 12, 13, 14 one by one. So instead of writing print b, just write here b.group. This group function will represent output like this.